We're going to be looking at example 2 in your section 4.2 notes. So I went ahead and drew the triangle and filled in the information that was given. I see that this is a side triangle. So this is a triangle that I definitely need to use the law of cosines for. My job in this case is to find angle A. So I need the version of law of cosines that has angle A. So we are going to be using that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of angle A. So I plug in the values that I'm given. So I'm going to have 108 squared equals 132 squared plus 160 squared minus 2 times 132 times, I would like the c value, so 160, and then the unknown ends up being the a value, the angle, cosine A. Okay, so squaring this out, I get 11,664. If you square these two terms and then add them together, you'll get 43,024. If you go ahead and multiply the numbers in front of the cosine of A, you're going to get 42,240. Okay, so cleaning that up a bit. Our next job would be to subtract this to the other side. So when we subtract this from the 11,000 figure that we have, we get negative 31,360 equal to negative 42,240. Okay, next thing that we want to do is divide this on both sides. So dividing this over. Okay, so you're going to end up with the cosine of A. You can use your calculator to reduce this for you, or you can leave it as is. I would probably drop the negatives, but if you want to go ahead and reduce, you'll get 49 over 66. So our last step is to take the cosine inverse of both sides. So I have the cosine inverse of 49 over 66. If I take the cosine inverse here, it'll cancel out the cosine and leave me with angle A. So if I put this in my calculator, make sure your calculator's in degree mode, I'll get an angle that's about 42.06 degrees. And that completes example 2.